The audio montage is a multi-track environment that allows you to assemble, arrange, edit, playback, and record audio in a non-destructive way. Features include track and clip-based effects, volume and pan automation, and wide-ranging fade and cross-fade functions. A comprehensive location and file management system makes it easier to organize and manage your montage sessions. When creating a new audio montage, a dialog box appears prompting you to define the location for the audio montage folder. When adding an audio file, you now have the option to create a copy of the file in the audio montage folder, ensuring that the original files remain unedited. You can have multiple tracks and place any number of clips on an audio track. The different tabs found on the audio montage window gives you access to important audio processing tools. The View tab allows high-quality zoom capabilities down to individual sample level. Different colors can be also assigned to selected clips. The Edit tab provides extensive editing functions with the option to normalize multiple clips at once. Through the Insert tab, we can insert markers and import a video file for multimedia projects. The Fade tab comes with different fade curves that can be easily applied to audio clips. The Envelope tab can create volume and panning envelopes. And the Render tab is used to mix down your audio montage using plugins loaded in the master section in a wide range of delivery formats. The Inspector gives access to clip-based audio effects. Track-based plugins can also be inserted on specific audio tracks, and easy-to-use enhance and clean processes are provided to quickly improve the audio quality. The Output section of the Inspector makes it possible to insert plugins to the entire audio montage. A powerful Master section can be used to add global effect chains to all clips. These plugin chains can be saved as presets in order to recall them on further projects. Resampling and dithering options are included in the Master section to ensure the best possible audio quality at the final stage. Extensive metadata can be embedded into the audio, making sure that the final delivery files contain crucial information to be reflected on the end user's side. Multiple metering tools give an accurate visual analysis of the frequency, phase, and loudness characteristics of the audio. The audio montage of WaveLab Elements is the perfect environment for working on music albums, radio spots, audiobooks, game audio, and multimedia work.